Get off here.
What'd you say?
Get off there.
Get off of there.
Get off.
You want me to get off the couch?
Yeah.
This is my couch.
My couch.
Oh, now it's your couch?
Yeah, my couch.
No, what's up?
No,
Was that open?
no, it's
What-
not an airplane.
Hey, what color's your truck?
Right there. This one. Right there.
Right there?
Right there. This one. What's that?
A pillow?
Yeah. What's that? Oh. That's it.
Damien, hide. You gotta hide. You gotta hide. You gonna hide from mommy? You wanna hide from mommy?
Where's Damien?
Here, take the pillow. Take the pillow. Hide from mommy.
Where's Damien? There he is. Where's Damien?
Hey, Damien. Where's Damien? What do you got?
What's that?
You know what that is?
Flower?
Water. Can I have it?
No. I did. Ah.
Where does it go? Does that go in the trash?
Garbage, huh? Where's it?
You want to throw that in the trash? Let's go put it in the trash.
Oh.
And throw it away. Thanks, buddy.
It's such a store.
Yeah.
Oh, now you're gonna hide again?
You gonna hide from Daddy?
He said, now hide. Hide from Daddy.
Damien. Hey, Damien. Damien. You wanna say hi to Grandma?
No.
Say hi to Grandma.
Grandma's gonna see this
What
pop
about
up.
what about Pop Pop? You wanna say hi to Pop Pop?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say hi, Pop Pop.
They can see you. Say hi. Wave.
No. No. No.
All right, here.
He was a tough.
All right, you talk. Say hi, Pop Pop.
I
I read books.
read books.
Say Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Yeah. All right. Say I love you, Dad.
I see Jen.
No, I love you, Dad.
I'm a dad.
All right, that's better. Happy Father's Day, Dad. All right, I got you to say it once. That's good enough.
I go, Mommy.
Here you go, Mommy. Oh, thank you.
Hey, Damien. Damien. Say hi, Grandma and Grandpa. Or Grandma and Pop Pop.
And Papa. And Grandma. Papa.
Hey, I love you guys. Okay, you tell. Whoop, don't drop it. Say I love you.
Papa.
Say bye.
Say bye, everybody.
Blow kisses.
Say bye, guys.
Bye.